Hey everyone, I'm VIT Valor, and I recently had the amazing opportunity to be part of the Microsoft Engage 2021 program. The challenge they gave to us was to build a Microsoft Teams clone, all from the scratch. And here I am telling you how it all went. Let's start with a mini demo and then I'll get into the details of how I made it. So here's the UI of the web app I have created. I designed the UI using Adobe XD. You can see me sending the link to my family and them joining one by one. I also made sure everyone could hear me or not hear me when I'm muted. We even have one person on video off to test that feature, and even the chat function is working, if you can see there. Here's me solo testing the video on and off, which was really challenging in the beginning. All these functions on the left are functional solo, but I have not integrated it with the entire app because they were creating little issues, but I will be integrating them soon. So this is the tech stack I have used: Node.js, Express, HTML, CSS for the designing, PRJS for the connections, so Socket.io for all the communication services, and Git, of course, for version control. The tools I have used for the entire project are VS Code for the entire coding part. Everyone loves it. Adobe XD for designing the UI. I used the exact same color palette as the original MS Teams. Heroku for the deployment was the easiest to deploy Node.js app there. GitHub for version control. Trello, I'll get onto it later because that was my major organization tool. And Canva, which I'm using presently for the presentation. Coming to the timeline, you could see this is the timeline I followed in a very basic manner. First to plan and research, which I took most time on, then design elements and structure it, which is my favorite part of it because I love designing the UI elements, and code, which as I've clearly written code and make it work because I had faced a lot of challenges of and debugged it throughout, and test and deploy, which was the most fun part of it. So this is the Trello page, as I said before. I used it throughout the whole project. Since the beginning I got to know about the project, I made a list of timelines, and you can see here list of timelines and to do and doing and done. So help me stay really organized, and I had given myself some deadlines in it, and every time I was done it was like a sense of achievement. So this is a Kanban board which I followed. Looking at the future modifications that I could do, I'll be completing the authorization part which I had started but realized I can't complete on time. I'll also be researching on how to add the screen share feature and majorly a smoother design. Finally, I'm super grateful for this wonderful experience. I learned a lot of new technologies through this and would love to take this project forward and make it as close to MS Team as possible. Big thank you to my mentors Sri Harsha and Meghna for all their inputs and support throughout. Thank you Engage team for this epic tech adventure you took us through.